News from Karnataka. JDS MLC Suraj Revana, the brother of Prajwal Revana, has been arrested and sent to 14-day judicial custody for allegedly sexually assaulting a male party worker. A party worker had earlier alleged that Suraj Revana, the grandson of former PM H.D. Devegowda, had sodomized him at his farmhouse. Now on the 16th of June. Meanwhile, the CID has taken over the investigation.
They are right in saying that law should take its own course of action. That is exactly what we are doing. Somebody gives us, complaint to a police station. What do you expect? You register a complaint, register an FIR, and once a FIR registered, that is the minimum thing a police station and SHO is doing. And after that, they look for evidences. And if there are evidences, and they act according to the law. And definitely they have to, arrest and, complete the inquiry and submit it to the court, and court will take a decision. That is exactly the procedure which our department is following.
On the other hand, H.D. Ravana has defended his nephew, claiming that there is a larger conspiracy at play and that his family has full faith in the law.
ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರು ಮನೇಲಿ ಎದುರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಲುವೆ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾರು ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಸರ್?
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಎಂತ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸುರಜ್ ಏನೇನ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೊನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದಿದೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯವರು ದೂರ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು,
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಟೈಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.